Welcome to Kafaah's headquarters located in the United Arab Emirates, and this is a containerized sewage treatment plant. This portable unit is built inside a shippable 20 feet ISO container and designed to treat a daily waste load of 60 cubic meters. The unit is designed to operate in the most challenging site conditions, using a combination of membrane bio reactor and anoxic treatment to optimize output effluent quality under varying influent conditions, specifically targeting to effectively reduce BOD, COD, TSS, and other crucial parameters in wastewater. The containerized sewage treatment plant is operated from a fully weatherproof control room, which houses the main control panel, air blowers, chemical dosing pumps, tertiary polishing filters, and automatic valves, all incorporated in a single point. The container is fully sealed, which means it can operate uninterrupted in all weather conditions, be it rain or shine. The containerized sewage treatment plant includes accessibility and safety features, which is key in all portable sewage treatment plants built by Kafaah. A fully detachable staircase and safety handrails allow easy inspection and maintenance. Compact design allows this system to be installed in tight spaces such as islands, offshore platforms, remote construction sites, and housing camps. Kafaah utilizes cutting-edge technologies to improve operational efficiency, reduce maintenance costs, and service downtime. All stages of assembly and fabrication are thoroughly monitored and undergo quality control checks to ensure flawless end results. All units by Kafaah are fully factory pre-commissioned and thoroughly tested before being dispatched. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. To learn more about our products and services, visit alkafaahgroup.com.